Hey everybody, this is Ken. I'm back with another accessory from Teslasy. Teslasy sent me this. I'm very excited for this actually because I'm very lazy. I'm not one of the automobile owners that likes to mainly put up sunshades for your windshield and then take them off. This one, auto lift. And the only thing besides this tube was this OBD port. Right here, as you can see it. And of course, a cigarette lighter. So this is the actual electric sunshade right there. Then it looks like some extra little things for the sunshade. I don't think I'm gonna need them, but in the future, I'll definitely keep them. Let's take it out. Actually, it feels really nice. And at the end of this is how it's going to be powered. You have another OBD port, okay? So that. Then right here is the on and off switch. This right here will basically tell it to go up and down, and then that button on the side right there is basically will turn it on and off, I believe. It has like a little suction right there. A good look of it right there. So all right, let's get started. I'm on the right pillar on the passenger side, and as you can see this little thing right here, you gotta unscrew this bolt right here. And just have your little Phillips head where you can unscrew it, where this will adjust. It does have 3M tape on the bottom. Gonna do the other side as well, just to make sure it sits flat. And then there's a suction cup right behind it. Once I get it where I want it, then I'll take that 3M tape off so it can stick onto this right here, so it won't hurt it at all. So that looks good. I love it. So I'll do the other side. I just wanted to show you that. Let's continue. So all I'm gonna do now, it seems pretty stable from what I can see. Take that part right there, right? And I'm gonna peel off that 3M tape. So what I'm gonna do is just pull that part off, give you a little bit more room to peel that off. You can always clip it back on there. There we go. So you're just going to do this on both sides. I'm going to loosen it up just a little bit. You see how not pressing down on it. There we go. So pull it back up. It does stick really well. So I got that down. It's not moving anywhere. Tighten that up because that's the desired location I want. I got the suction cup back there as well, looking good. Okay, I just wanted to show you a better view of how this looks. It's in there nice and snug. See that little screw right there? They provided these right here where you can cover that up. That side's done. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll get these wires and everything ran. So this is the opposite side right here. Everything looks very sturdy. Love it. And like I said, it does have the support of that suction cup that's right back there. Let me show you how easy it is to cover this up. Just kind of get it on the corner like that. Just work your way around it, and look at that. That looks way better in my opinion than looking at a screw, right? Just pop this little side panel right here. Don't even really have to pop this part off, because remember, all that's going to be right there, and it's going to go right there. So we're going to run these little wires through this little panel right here to hide them. So there's a bottom part to it that makes it stick to this, to my dash, okay? So I'll leave that alone, just let it hang for now. The Teslas that have an OBD port, it will be right under here. I don't believe I have one. Now I'm at the bottom, and you can just pop this open a little bit like you see right there. And I'm going to run that all the way under the steering wheel, but I don't have that much left. So that's where I'll take that just like that. And then I'm going to run that all the way around with all this wire. It's not a lot, but it should be enough. It took me a little bit longer underneath here because I had to use Torx screwdriver, I believe. I don't know if it was a T10 or 20. It was one of those. But let's test it out and just see. Now, the video I think Teslasy said was the first time you do it, it's going to go up to about right here, I believe. You can adjust it, is what I'm saying. So let's try it. It came up to about right here, right there. So that's pretty cool. And it's not meant to cover like everything. Tesla windshields, curves and everything, it's not straight across, if that makes sense. So if I hit it, just goes down. Let me turn a little power button off on the side like I showed you earlier. And you see, it don't work at all. Let's try it one more time. That's cool. I got to get it adjusted so it can go all the way up. Right there is where I need to rotate that up to make it go up a little bit more or rotate it down. So I was able to get it adjusted. I use my hand, my little finger right here. If you got some small hands and stuff, you can fit it in there. But I love that they put that little blue indicator, because where they put that little blue strip of tape, that's exactly where it's located. I got it where I want it. It almost hits right here. Keep playing with it. So I'm going to hit it. And it should hit each corner. It's actually right here. So it don't damage anything. It's like just right. They did say it won't cover everything because this is just straight across. I really like this. I can honestly say I like this product. If you ask me, it is the best windshield sunshade that I have seen. I don't know how it looks on the outside yet. Let's check it out. This product is really nice. I have reviewed maybe 1 or 2 sunshades on this channel, and they're fine, especially those umbrella type style, but they look wrinkly. This looks clean, and I don't have to do any manual labor but touch a button. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave my discount code in the description below for you. As you all know, it's the start of the holiday season. You probably will get some really good deals. Teslasy has a lot of products on their webpage. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Ken. I'll see you in the next video.